Today on HandyDadTV, a brand new Ring doorbell. This is the Doorbell Wired Chime. All right, let's get to it. Now, I've installed probably 3 Ring doorbells, but they were always the Doorbell Pro. And the advantage of the Doorbell Pro is you don't have any batteries in it. I don't like the battery-operated ones, the ones that you have to charge the batteries for, and it's such a pain in the neck. I wouldn't bother. This is a much better alternative. If you've got a doorbell on your house that's wired, it's already got a transformer in the house, so you should be able to just, you know, just use that. And it's a little bit smaller than the Ring Doorbell Pro, and it doesn't have exactly the same features. I mean, they do. This is a much more reasonably priced doorbell. It is raining a little bit out here right now, but that's okay. It's supposed to be weatherproof, right? The sizzle. So, you got the doorbell, you got the chime. The big difference with this one is it will not ring your doorbell in the house. It will only ring through the chime and through all of your Amazon devices. You know, the ones that start with an A.
You probably have a button on your door like this, and a chime on a wall somewhere in your house like this. If you remove the cover, you'll see 2 chimes at the top and the bottom with a striker controlled by an electromagnet. The third component, which you may never have seen in your house, is a low voltage transformer that looks something like this. The wires create a bit of a triangle so that when the button is pressed, it completes the circuit so the magnet rings the chimes. When we replace a doorbell button with the Ring Doorbell Wired, we'll jumper the wires so that the doorbell gets constant power. That means the chime no longer works. But that's okay, the Ring chime will take its place.
Okay, the wires are connected. That's going to get fed back in there. I'm going to put a little pilot hole in because I don't like to just chance it. So you don't think I need to open the Ring app?
No.
Just camera?
Yep.
Okay. And just take a picture of it?
Nope, just hover.
Hover.
Cool.
And it says open and ring. Wow. That is smart. I didn't even know that. Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Did you install the included jumper cable? No, we did not do the jumper cable yet, so we're going to go do the jumper cable now. Alright, so let's see. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Oh, we need a flat blade screwdriver. This isn't going to work. So they give you this little jumper, which is supposed to go across these 2 screws. But that's kind of not needed, and I'm going to show you why it's not needed. All you really need to do is cross the 2 wires. So you could just take the 2 wires and put them on the same screw. Save yourself a little time and you don't have to finagle that little jumper. And that does the exact same thing. There we go. Done. Now it is a relic.
The Ring app gives very thorough, step-by-step instructions to get your new video doorbell installed and connected to your Wi-Fi network.
Restore the power at the breaker. Okay, that's what we're going to do next.
It's making noises.
Good. The light is spinning?
Yep. Well, it's flashing.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app.
Alright, light is spinning. Wants to join the network. I got it wet.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Continue.
Setup successful.
Yay.
Now installing an update. This may take several minutes.
Okay. No problem. We'll come back in several minutes. There's motion at your front door. Look at that. Tap. Look at that. That's us. Wow. Nice. Right? Pretty cool. And then the next thing to try is you push the doorbell and someone is at your front door. There you go.
The Ring Doorbell Wired is currently selling for $59 on Amazon. Now remember, this doesn't ring the existing doorbell in your house. You'll only be notified on the Ring app and your Amazon devices. You can also buy the Ring chimes separately for $29 and put them all over your house if you want. Or you can save $10 with the combo kit that I bought. But if you really want to keep using your old-fashioned chime inside the house, you need to get the Ring Doorbell Pro, which currently sells for $169. Now let's compare them head-to-head to see what you get for the extra $110.
Testing 1, 2, 3. This is what the Video Doorbell Pro sounds like at my house. Test 1, 2, 3. This is what the Video Doorbell Wired sounds like at my daughter's house.
They both have high-definition video with night vision. They both have two-way talk, motion detection and alerts, app and device notifications, and pre-roll video previews. The Ring Doorbell Pro adds the ability to ring your existing chime in the house. It also adds 5 GHz Wi-Fi and interchangeable faceplates. That's really it. Now, do you think the Pro is worth it? Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts.
Welcome home.
Be sure to subscribe and watch our new series, The Living Flip. Ooh.
And that has 1 1/4.
It's the little one. That's what